Hi, hi everyone. Good afternoon. As part of this session, I just want to explain how exactly we can change this particular page indicators. Okay, so how exactly we can change this particular page indicators is the most important thing that I want to explain for today. Okay, so let's come back here. Let us create a new function here. So function test example 105 space throws. Okay, perfect. And here app dot launch, and after that app dot this static text. I want to perform a tap operation on that. What was that tap operation I want to do? Page control. So here page control, I want to tap it. After tapping the page control, here we need to deal with it. Right. Add a sleep statement for few seconds and let's debug it and let us try to identify the locators in this particular screen. Okay, fine. So here, let it load, let it execute so that we can see the instance and from there we can identify. See, the page control screen is there. So here, a PO XCUI application. Let us see. When this XCUI application got printed, I can see that bunch of other objects are there along with the one page indicator is there. Okay, perfect. I noticed that a page indicator is there. So page indicators, I was just using this page indicators. If I hit enter, okay, so there is one page indicator which value is a page 3 of a 10. Perfect. So here among all these page indicators, element identified by its index as a 2 and on which perform a swipe left operation. Okay, see, you can see the red color right now. Whenever I use this swipe left operation, see here, let us see whether it is changing there or not. Okay, so exception internal object was breakdown. Okay, so index out of bounds 0. For suppose the element with an index 0, swipe left. So that's going to be the first object. So if you see right now, the first object, it got changed. And if I say the same command, instead of a swipe left, if I change it to the swipe right, okay, if I use the swipe right command here, and when I run, the swipe right operation is being performed. So depending on our need, we can use either the swipe left and as well as a swipe right. The reason why we have seen this particular example is in an earlier scenario, we haven't seen about the swipe left and a swipe right. That's the reason this is the scenario where I just want to show you the swipe left and as well as a swipe right. How the swipe left and as well as a right will work. That's the point that we have seen in this situation. Okay, perfect. When I run the whole program, in the program execution, the whole thing will show up. Let us see. The whole program is executing right now. It should navigate to this and the swipe left and the swipe right operation should perform. See here, the swipe operation got performed. So this is the way how exactly you can deal with it. Okay, this is the way how exactly you can deal with the swipe left and as well as the swipe right operations. Okay, perfect. Done the deal.